Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ravi Teja. I've recently cleared my CA final exams and I've got exemption in law just by using the charts. So in this video, I'm going to explain you everything about those charts and law preparation. Although I took classes from Arpita Tulshan, I probably watched 10 to 20% of her videos because I realized it's not working. Instead, I watched her revision videos and made charts by using her material. I feel law requires remembrance of provisions which requires multiple revisions, and with the help of charts I multiplied my revisions. In law I focus more on the important chapters. For example, in company law I focus more on meetings, appointment of directors, appointment of managerial personnel. In economic laws I focus more on PMLA, IBC and SEBI. This would fetch at least 45 to 50% of the marks. Presentation of your answers in law exam is very crucial. I followed provisions, given case, analysis and conclusion. It fetched me good marks and I advise you to follow it. Reasons for making notes. I have two main reasons. First one, I feel law is a bit confusing subject in the sense there are multiple procedures, imprisonment tenures, limits, and resolutions. Second one is to multiply the revisions. I feel these charts help me in conceptual clarity and remembrance of the provisions much easier.
Going to walk you through the charts. So I have covered all the important topics in the charts. So now let's open companies law, for example, and foreign company. So now I'm opening this PDF. So you can see I've covered this topic. So let's go. In establishment of place of business. So after establishment of place of business, within 30 days you have to submit FC1 to RSA New Delhi. And if there are any changes to it, you have to submit FC2 to RSA within 30 days of the change. So in case of close of place of business, if it's all places, then no obligation to submit documents further. If there is only closure of few place of business, then obligation still exists. So you have to submit financial statements to RSA within 6 months, and you will get a 3 month extension. And annual report to be submitted within 6 days from close of financial year. Similarly, I can walk you through mismanagement, for example. So you can see uh, if it's regular application by members in case of operation or mismanagement, so these are the criteria. See, at least 100 members or one-tenth of members or one-tenth of issued share capital. If there is no issued share capital, one-fifth of members to tribunal. Central government, so in these cases, the tribunal will order, so it can order winding up or others, and it will be filed with ROC. And for directors also, it will give order, so not eligible for 5 years for that company or any other company. So similarly for class action, these are the criteria, and tribunal may order these. And for property, it can reverse a transfer if it's occurred within the last 3 months. It can put a restriction on transfer for 3 years. So then similarly, I will walk you through meetings. So for meetings, there should be 7 days gap between notice and the board meeting, and at least four board meetings to be happen. Gap shouldn't be more than 120 days. And similarly for these companies, at least two, and gap shouldn't be less than 90 days. And similarly, these and so quorum is criteria for regular interest. If there are interest directors, at least two-thirds, and there is no quorum to be adjourned. So for these companies, they should maintain these directors, audit committee results, and vigil mechanism criteria, and stakeholder relationship committee criteria, borrowing money, buybacks. These are the resolutions or commissions, and for contributions, these are the criteria. Similarly, loans, related party transactions, other laws. So let's open PMLA. So you can see proceeds of crime, they can arrest and they have to submit a special code within 24 hours, and it will be treated as provisional attachment. So they have to submit to adjudicating authority. They'll give order, then investigation. After 65 days, then special court will give order. The appellate tribunal can apply to High Court as well. So similarly, IBC. Yeah. So if there is a default of more than 1 crore, it will be treated as CIRP. If it's just over 10 lakhs, it can be treated as PPIRP. So these are the three like financial creditors, operating creditors, or self which can apply. Similarly for PPIRP, so CIRP complete process application file acceptance, announcement, committee of creditors. Completely try to give the flow of the process. Similar for PPIRP, so the gap should be like 90 days plus 30 days for giving order. and types of solvency resolutions, CRP, FASTag, CARP, and PPARP. So coming to SEBI also, you can see to RSC, you have to submit within these days these reports, annual reports yearly, and prior information within these days. I opened SEBI. So SEBI manager personnel to be appointed up to 7 years for 5 years. So similar for these two. So inspection to be applicable to listed companies, investigation to any personal securities market, and grants fees to be deposited in SEBI general fund. So any gains will be deposited in IEPF, and penalties to Consultant Fund of India. So similarly, bank accounts to be attached for 90 days. Similar these orders and all. So I have given the links of these in description. You can check it out.
If you find this video helpful, press that like button and share it with your CA final friends. Subscribe for more related content. Thanks for watching.